Mithogoto ya Bangi, ndawa cia kurebia muthemba wa heroini hamwe na njohi ino muthemba wa chang'aa nicio ihithukitio nyumba-ini imwe mwena wa Juja kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Guku ekwirwo atatu magikio ngono. Indo ici ihithukitio ni maabitha a uthuthuria aria maugite mbere ya mahobaniirie nyumba ino imwe ya njohi ino ni kwendetio ona gutuika muigana wayo ndukurikanite.
Looking at the area the way it is, you can see these are the residential houses being occupied by the university students within this area, and we have been having a lot of cases of even students not attending to the classes.
Kuringana na kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ino mucangĩkĩoi, Bangi ino ihithukitio mita 200 kuuma thukuru-ini wa university ya JKUAT, akiuga wendia wayo wongererekete na makiria thukuru-ini uyu.
Of these drugs are being stored in Githurai, others are being stored in Membre, and we are going to break all these syndicate. I'm not going to allow any syndicate of these illicit brews or even drugs to continue in Kiambu.
Meranĩire gutabania uthuthuria baranginyo na kuhura muriugo guku akiruta mukana kuri mundu uria ukunyitikana akiuna watho wa kwendia indo ngananie.
I have an information there is another one which is being sold at Kameme to the university student on the other side. And the worst thing is that these people who are selling this bank, they are not selling to their own children, they are selling to others' children.
Maya mahanikite kiumia kimwe thutha wa indo ingi ta ici cia wanangi na iria ni cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 2.5 kuhithũka itura-ini ria kiganjo mwena uyu wa Thika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.